Welcome back to the channel. This is Uncle Nate with
Aiden the Shark.
This is our Hobe Sound third points race of the year. We have the first heat race we're going to show you most of. We'll just breeze through the second heat race that went by really fast too. And we got a DNF in the final, so make sure to watch to the end. Like we were saying, this was a third points race for Hobe Sound. Aiden did pretty good here in the first heat race, trying to get by some folks, able to keep up. It was just a really hard fight. Ricky, the kid in the yellow cart here in front of us, was last year's champion down there. Did you know that, dude?
No.
Yeah? You like hanging out with Ricky, don't you?
Yeah.
One of our favorite things about racing these karts is the friendships the kids are making. Even though things can get a little rough out on the track sometimes, they always play nice in the pits. And every time we get to the track, first thing Aiden does is run to go see who's there and hang out with his friends. You know this young kid's name?
No.
No, we don't know this young man. He's come a couple times. He's doing pretty good too. Aiden gives him a little nudge to move him out of the way there after a couple laps. We try to always pass coming out of the turns and clean, but sometimes you got to get them out of the lower end of the turns when they're coming out too low and blocking you. After a couple races, little man had enough of that, didn't you, dude?
Yes.
But we don't make a habit of anything like that. So here we're at our main race. This young man's Mark Hudson, really nice family. He actually won the race. We skipped forward to lap 7. Your kart started slowing down, buddy. What was happening?
I started losing power and I couldn't keep up with everyone. Then Ricky passed me, and then the Wolf girl passed me, and then a couple laps later, at lap 14, I spun out because I came in too low, and I got on the grass, and it spun me out.
Coming in too low and your tires couldn't handle the extra force.
Yes.
This track's flat. It's not like our home track, so you got to drive it a little different. We're still struggling with that at times. So we jump to lap 14. We spin out here. Aiden's learned a good lesson here. What aren't you going to do next time? Tell everybody.
I won't go up high. Two kids got by me clearly, and then the Wolf girl just came straight into me.
Pretty much trashed both of our karts. We were both done for the day. No fixing that on the track with 5 laps to go. Kind of an expensive weekend. We haven't talked to the Wolf family yet. We know that Tayln's okay and the Shark's okay. We hope our kart's okay too. Thanks for coming to visit our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.